Action.
Yeah. So now we are taking this strain here, which is green crack. We want to try this one as a mother plant. Looking at the features, looks very good, shorty and healthy. And now we're gonna put the soil and fix her inside here. Let's start doing it. We're going there. One more shovel. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Let's try pressing down. So there we are. There she goes. Nicely traced inside there. So we can let the other soils on the sides. Not too much stamping for the roots to easily go through the soil. There we are, almost there. 1 or 2 shovels, one more, it's the last one. There we are. So we have enough space for her to put the roots down.
Okay.
More soil on the sides, like we said, we're giving it more space so she can grow well. So the roots will spread now and we'll expect bushy plant coming out.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for now, Uncle.